Om Shri Sai Ram. A blessed and beautiful Navaratri to all. One of the main reasons Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba incarnated during this time of Kali Yuga was for Veda Poshana, to foster and revive these ancient and eternal sounds. Swami says that the Vedas are a gift from God for the welfare of the entire humanity, and the prosperity of the world is dependent upon the Vedas. During the first 3 days of Navaratri, we worship Mother Durga. A beautiful Vedic chant which adores our Divine Mother is the Durga Suktam. Suktam is a collection of verses which describes the beautiful attributes of a particular deity. In this particular hymn, Mother Durga's divine attributes are expressed and her bountiful blessings are sought. We recognize that she is that divine source which gives us the enthusiastic force to get up each morning and start the day. And we realize through this chant she is with us 24/7 and will carry us through any obstacle. As Swami says, why fear when I am here? Sai Durga helps us face any difficulty, trial or tribulation with valor, courage and fearlessness. As the line is expressed in Durga Suktam, Durgam Devi Gum Sharanamaham Pravatye Sutarasitarase Namaha. O Mother Durga, I take refuge in you. You take us across this ocean of worldly life very easily. May you protect us. We offer our salutations and adorations to you. This analogy of a boatman carrying passengers across the sea has been given, referring to Mother Durga taking all her children across this ocean of samsara towards mukti or enlightenment. Agni Jatavedase, or the fire of Durga, is mentioned numerous times, pertaining to the Kriya Shakti within all of us, or the power of dynamism, purposeful action, or right conduct. This divine fire of Mother Durga vanquishes our inner enemies, and in particular the feeling of ahamkar or ego, the feeling of doership, ultimately gets destroyed. And we recognize that she is the divine doer within all of us. In the end, it mentions the Gayatri mantra for Mother Durga. Katyayanaya Vidmahe Kanya Kumari Dhimahe Tanno Durgif Prajodayat. May we know and realize the primordial energy. May we meditate upon the radiant goddess. May Mother Durga fertilize our intellect such that intelligence blossoms into wisdom and we get illumined. Mother Durga, she grants us physical, mental and spiritual energy. In today's times, we have become so dependent on a cup of coffee or tea to give us that extra boost each day. If we can listen to this beautiful verse, which is only around 3 minutes, though the time duration is quite short, they say dynamite comes in small packages. This Durga Suktam is packed with energy which will manifest within all of us to perform our deeds dutifully for the day. Let us now listen to Bhagwan's students and staff chant this divine Durga Suktam in Prashanti Nilayam. Jai Sai Ram.
जातवेदसे सुनवामसो ममराति यतो निदहाति वेदः स नः परिषदति दुर्गाणि विश्वानावेव सिन्धुम् दुरिताच्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णाम् तपसा ज्वलन्तीम् वैरोचनीम् कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गाम् देवीगुम् शरणमहम् प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वम् पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा पूश्च पृथ्वी बकुलान उर्वी भवातोकायतनयाय शय्योः विश्वानिनो दुर्गः जातवेदः सिन्धुम् ननावा दुरितातिपर्षे अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृणानो स्माकम् वोच्छविता तनूना वृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात् सदस्तात् स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा क्षामद्देवो अतिदुरिताच्यग्निः प्रत्नोषिकमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच्च होता नव्यश्च सत्सि स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवम् विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यञ्जसौ भगमायजस्व गोविर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तम् तवेन्द्रविष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम नागस्य पृष्ठमपि संवसानो वैष्णवीम् लोक इह मादयन्ताम् कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गः प्रचोदयात्।